Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set alarm in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. First of all, go to the home page and click on clock icon here, and here click on alarm icon, and these are all the preset alarm. Okay, you can use those preset alarm if you like it. Otherwise, you can add your own alarm freshly. Okay, click on this plus symbol to add alarm and set a time for alarm. Okay, here I just set time 5 a.m. Okay, see here. Okay, click on repeat. Okay, here you can select all days or some particular days only. So if you select all days, alarm will be repeated on all days at 5 a.m. Okay, if you select some particular days only, those days will have only alarm, all other days will not have that alarm. Okay, click on OK. Then click on alarm sound. Here you can change alarm sound. Okay, that is setting up like a ringtone. Okay, select a tone here. Okay, that will be set as alarm sound. Okay, if you would like to add your own alarm sound, click on this plus symbol, and if you have any music file in your phone local gallery, then it will be showing here. As of now, I don't have no file. Okay, there is nothing, so here it does not show. Okay, so I am going to select from the available phone alarm sound. So I have selected this one. Just go back, and that will be set as alarm sound. Okay, then vibrate. Here you can turn on or turn off vibrate for alarm. Okay, while ringing alarm, it will vibrate. Vibrate. It will be ringing with vibration. If you turn on this button, if you turn off it, vibration will not coming up along with your alarm. Okay, then here you can assign a label. Click on label. You can assign a text to your alarm. So this can be set as a reminder for you. For example, if you are going to a particular function at the time, just you can write your function name here. Or if you just set your alarm just by wake up, just click on just to type wake up. Okay, so whatever you want, your freedom to type. Okay, so here I have typed wake up. Okay, so I would like to wake up at 5 a.m. on the selected days. Okay, and finally click on this tick mark to save this alarm. Yes, alarm is saved. Okay, so in this way you can easily set alarm in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.